It is now 8:20, and as you can see, it is still coming down out here. It's a little bit of wind. The wind has definitely picked up since earlier. I see things moving kind of slow. I think people are just taking their time on the belt, not rushing, which is a good thing, because it's treacherous out here. Look at my steps. Is that even a step? I wouldn't even know. I would trip and fall and bust my ass if I went out there. Let's see some more. My landlord's car, not too bad. I think he came out and cleaned it, it looks like. But I don't see any steps, so maybe he didn't. Let's see. Look at that. Alrighty, I'm taking my butt inside. Oh, you see sanitation, they're out in full effect. Look at all those trucks. I love you guys. Look at all those trucks. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, everybody's taking it pretty slow on the belt, which is good. Alrighty, that's it. That's the weather report from Nicole. Don't worry guys, I won't quit my day job.